Remember those micro-investing apps that promise to make you a millionaire just by rounding up your spare change? You know, the ones that made investing seem so simple, so effortless? Well, one of the pioneers in that space, particularly in Australia and Southeast Asia, was the Raiz app. But if you've been out of the loop, you might be wondering, what exactly happened to Raiz? Is it still around? Did it get acquired, or simply disappear into the fintech graveyard? Let's rewind a bit. Raiz Invest, originally known as Acorns Australia, burst onto the scene in 2016, bringing the popular roundup investing model to a new market. The idea was brilliant: link your everyday spending, and the app would automatically round up your purchases to the nearest dollar, investing that spare change into diversified portfolios of ETFs. It was a game changer for many, especially young people, making investing accessible with as little as $5. It quickly gained traction, becoming one of Australia's most downloaded micro-investing apps, boasting hundreds of thousands of active users and billions in funds under management. Raiz wasn't content with just Australia. They expanded into Indonesia and Malaysia, aiming to replicate their success in other emerging markets. The vision was clear: democratize investing, one spare change at a time, across the region. They even diversified their product offerings, introducing features like Raiz Invest Super for retirement savings, Raiz Kids for custodial accounts, and Raiz Rewards for cashback investing. They were constantly innovating, building a robust platform that seemed set for long-term growth. But as with any rapidly expanding venture, challenges arose. While the Australian operations continued to flourish, the international expansions faced their own unique hurdles. Operating in diverse regulatory environments and competing with local players proved to be more complex than anticipated. So, what's the current status? The good news for Australian users is that Raiz is very much alive and well in Australia. In fact, they've been consolidating their efforts there. Following strategic reviews, Raiz made the decision to divest its operations in Malaysia and Indonesia during fiscal years 2024 to 2025. This move was a strategic pivot, allowing the company to refocus its capital and resources on strengthening and expanding its core Australian business. This strategic shift has been about streamlining operations and maximizing profitability. Raiz in Australia continues to innovate, offering new features like Raiz Plus, which allows for customizable portfolios including ASX-listed stocks and even Bitcoin, alongside its traditional diversified ETF portfolios. They've continued to report positive financial results in Australia, with growing revenue and EBITDA. Furthermore, Raiz has even attracted significant strategic investments, including a recent placement from State Street Global Advisors. This indicates strong confidence in Raiz's Australian business model and its future growth potential. So, while the Raiz app you might remember from its wider international presence has certainly evolved, particularly in Southeast Asia where its joint ventures were wound down, it's far from gone. In Australia, it remains a robust and active player in the fintech landscape, continually enhancing its offerings and focusing on its core market. The journey of Raiz is a testament to the dynamic nature of the fintech industry, constant adaptation, strategic pivots, and a relentless focus on delivering value to its users. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.